There is a lot of debate in the scientific community about whether black holes or white holes are more mysterious and interesting. While both types of objects are fascinating, and I believe that black holes are more intriguing because they have the potential to destroy everything in their path. On the other hand, white holes spew matter out into space and don't seem to pose as much of a threat. I think that the mystery surrounding black holes is what makes them so captivating. But we still don't know everything about them, and there is so much left to explore. Before we compare them, let's first see what these two opponent holes are. A black hole is an object with a gravitational field so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle. The gravity of a black hole is so strong because all of its mass has been compressed into a tiny space called singularity. In comparison, a white hole is a hypothetical astronomical object based on the general theory of relativity. It is the opposite of a black hole where matter and light can escape from it. In simple words, a white hole is an object with a gravitational field so strong that nothing can enter it. Now, let's see which one is stronger. There is a debate among professionals as to which type of hole is stronger, black holes or white holes. There is no definitive answer to this question as it depends on a number of factors. Generally speaking, black holes are thought to be more powerful than white holes, but there are exceptions to this rule. It is believed that black holes are formed when a massive star collapses in on itself, while white holes are the opposite. They occur when matter explodes outwards. Because of their different formation processes, black holes tend to have more stronger gravitational pull and can be more destructive. However, there are also cases where white holes can be more powerful. For example, if they contain a lot of energy within them. So we can say that ultimately it depends on the individual situation and which type of hole is more massive or contains more energy. Now let's talk about results. If a black hole meets a white hole, there are three possible results if an event like this happens. The first possibility is that if a black hole meets a white hole, the result would be an explosion of energy. The black hole would absorb all the matter and energy from the white hole, causing it to collapse in on itself. This would release a huge amount of energy in the form of light and other electromagnetic radiations. This could potentially destroy anything in its path. The second possibility is that if a black hole and white hole were to collapse together, the result would be what is known as singularity. This would be an infinitely dense point in space-time where the laws of physics break down. The third possibility, if a black hole meets a white hole, is that the two objects will cancel each other out and disappear. This is because black holes are defined by their mass and gravitational pull, while white holes are defined by their lack of mass and gravitational pull. So when the two meet, they effectively cancel each other out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.